Hi guys, yan. Maaga po yung ating live 'no, kasi hindi tayo nakapag-live kagabi. Itong mga fake news peddlers na DDS na 'to, napahiya na naman at meron silang kalalagyan guys 'no, makukulong talaga yung mga yan. Hanggang kailan kaya sila walang kasawa-sawa sa pagfe-fake news? Wala na silang credibility itong mga DDS na mga fake news peddlers, talagang wala. Grabe. I-share natin guys yung ating live, share ko lang yung live natin para may makapanood. Hi, hello, Che Zereza Force. Hello, good morning. Morning. Hello, good morning. Ayan. So, nag-share lang tayo 'no, ng video. Yan, dali, walang kasawa-sawa yung mga DDS sa pagfe-fake news. Grabe. Yan, dali, isa na lang share natin. Isang share na lang. Okey. Booking na naman sila, sa kanilang fake news, Mga walang sawa talaga 'tong mga fake news peddlers na DDS, yan. So, alam niyo ba mga kaibigan na itong mga DDS ay walang kasawa-sawa talaga sa pagfe-fake news. At yan, booking na naman sila, booking na naman ang mga DDS mga kaibigan 'no. So, Kamote TV, anong topic madam? Ito-topic po natin ngayon yung malaking pagkapahiya at pagkabuko ng mga DDS doon sa altered 'no, altered po na police report. Papakita ko po sa inyo yung tunay na police report at saka yung kanilang altered na police report. Grabe mga kaibigan 'no, talagang wala na talagang kahihiyan itong mga DDS. Mga ano pa guys, mga mga ano pa sila ha, matatag na mga journalists. Grabe 'no? Mga fake news peddler talaga, sobra. Okey. So mga kaibigan 'no, nandito po yung tunay na mga police report. Oh, okey. Ito po yung mga tunay mga kaibigan na mga police report, 'yan, galing mismo sa Beverly Hills PD 'no. So, ito pong si Bobby Tiglao bet everything on a fake report and now he's left holding the bag of his own basura. Yan. So, what a shame. So, mga kaibigan, ito po mismo ang validation of authenticity of police report. Yan. Dear Sir, Madam, I would like to request a verification of authenticity regarding this police report that a certain party has been claiming and circulating online that it came from your office. I would appreciate for your utmost response. Yan. So, eto po ngayon ang response. Yan, mga kaibigan, no? Galing po mismo sa Beverly Hills Police Department, 464 and Rexford Drive, Beverly Hills, California, etc., etc., no? Yan po. Yan. Galing po mismo ito sa Beverly Hills Police Department. Yan. So mga kaibigan, alam niyo na siguro no, kalat na ito no, mga kaibigan, no? Ito po. Ito net 25 pa 'to ha, net 25. Alam niyo naman siguro ang net 25, 'di ba? Oh, yung mga anchor diyan, DDS. Oh, ayan oh. Hmm. Hindi siya kita. Hindi siya kita, no? Sandali. Try natin i-green screen. Try natin gamitin yung green screen para mag-appear siya dito. Ito. Hindi siya masyadong yan. Ito yung mga kaibigan, no? Yan, no? Net 25. Oh. Net 25 yan, ha? Babasahin ko na lang. Ayan po yung Patricia Tachias, Interim Records Manager, Police Department, Beverly Hills to date July 15, 2025. Yan. 2025 SDP-0460. Take note ha, ito po net 25. Yung pinapakita ko ngayon, net 25. Ayan o, inano ko sa green screen. Oh. So, babasahin ko ha. Sabi po dito, this letter is response, unahin muna natin, regarding response to California Public Records Act request. Death Investigation Report 25-11805. No? So, hindi ko nababasahin yung mga pangalan yung mga for privacy. This letter is in response to your request that was made electronically on July 15, 2025 under the California Public Records Act. The request seeks disclose of a report that occurred on March 8, 2025 under case number 2025-00011805. The Beverly Hills Police Department has determined that the request in part 6 copies of public records and BHPD's possession. Under the Act, BHPD is not required to disclose any records of complaints to or investigations conducted by or records of intelligence informations or security procedures of the Office of the Attorney General in the Department of Justice, the Office of the Emergency Services, and any state or local police agency, or any investigatory or security files compiled by any other state or local agency for correctional, law enforcement, or licensing purposes. Gov.code, may mga number, no? So hindi ko nababasahin, nahilo ako sa number. The records sought in the request fall under the exempted and therefore will not be disclosed. However, BHPD is providing the following information in accordance with the Act. Okay. Crime incident, death investigation. Location of incident, 9876 Wilshire Boulevard, Beverly Hills, California, the Beverly Hilton. Reported date time, March 8, 2025, 11:32 a.m. Date, time of incident, March 8, 2025, 11:32 a.m. Take note ha, namatay daw, March 8. Yung incident na nangyari ang pagkamatay, March 8, 2025, 11:32 a.m. Take note ha, 11:32 a.m. And then victim, Juan Paulo Tantoco, 44. Tuloy natin. Okay. Summary of incident. On Sunday, March 8, 2025, approximately 11:30 hours, officers were dispatched to the Beverly Hilton Hotel regarding a person not breathing. Officers entered room and observed hotel security performing chest compression on an unconscious male subject. Officer took over with life-saving measures and subject was pronounced deceased 12:05 hours by paramedic. If you should have any question, please feel free to contact me. Sincerely, Diana Kersey, number 826, record supervisor, blah, 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 blah. Okay, City of Beverly